Fire security, certified sustainable cable maintenance. Protecting and prolonging the lifespan of electrical cables. FS has proven its worth for decades. We have an extensive reference list stretching from industrial plants, oil rigs, tankers, cruise ships, to offshore wind farms. What do we do? We repair cable sheaths that are damaged by UV, oil, mud, and mechanical stress. The coating restores the cable value, prevents future damage to cables and cable jackets, and eliminates the need for large-scale replacement. This is done with minimum shutdown time. The FS coating systems upgrade your cable and extend the lifetime by up to 3 times. When exposed to fire, FS intumescent coating expands up to 100 times its thickness, forming a heat protective shield. No other cable coating system has equal or better fire protection properties. FS upgrade existing cables to the highest fire technical standard. FS offers certified sustainable solutions to extend cable life and avoid electrical fire using nothing but non-toxic materials. FS limits the need for resource-intensive cable replacement. Cables contain large volumes of plastic, PVC, XLPE in sheets and insulation. Those components are commonly incinerated openly or disposed of in landfills. Our coatings prevent flame propagation. It removes cables as a source of combustion and prevents the release of toxic and poisonous gases. We deliver turnkey solutions that avoids operation shutdown, removes the costly need for cable replacements, and halts the spread of further damages. Rejuvenated cables continue their operation with a warranty-backed application. Our solutions are approved by leading classification societies and authorities. FS save lives, save costs, and save the environment. Visit us at fire-security.com.